The simulation result can be observed via AnyPOST when the simulation is done via AnySolver. There are two ways to run the simulation file. First, execute AnyPOST and then click File Open Project to load our LTX file. Second, drag the RLTX file to AnyPOST to load the file. Create real shape to map the CAD model to the mesh-like result and see it in real shape. However, the real shape only applies to cast entity. In order to observe entity other than the cast entity, you need to deactivate the real shape. The results that can be checked in AnyPOST are final result and progress result. In final result, you can observe the changes during the entire simulation process. In progress result, you can observe the temperature, pressure, and speed values set by the user. Final result consists of history data to observe the flow and solidification pattern result. Simple shrinkage analysis to observe temperature gradient and cooling rate. Advanced casting analysis to observe pressure distribution. Microstructure prediction and mechanical properties. Click Filling Sequence in History Data tab to check the filling pattern. You can check the overall filling pattern and the final filling area. You can continuously observe the final solidification time with solidification time. And solidification sequence shows all the solidification process by time and especially the area where remelting occurs. When observing the solidification pattern, it is recommended to observe an inverse contour. Particle tracing observes filling behavior of melt, showing as particles when filling. Head size is to set the head size of the particle. Tail length is to set the tail length of the particle. Skip factor is to set the density of the particle expression. To observe macro shrinkage, please select Probabilistic Defect Parameter in Advanced Casting Analysis tab. Please select Retain Melt Surface Area in Defect Parameter and use the cross-section view function to observe macro shrinkage inside the product. At this time, the shown shrinkage is a probability distribution, not a size. For micro-shrinkage, please select Combined Effect Parameter in Advanced Casting Analysis tab. After selecting Niyama, please select Effect Parameter as Combined Effect Parameter and Probabilistic Effect Parameter and observe micro-shrinkage inside Product with cross-section view. In the case of micro-shrinkage, user can observe any results by using 3 parameters. At this time, the shown shrinkage is a probability distribution, not a size. In microstructure prediction, graphite, carbide, ferrite, pearlite, and nodule count will be only displayed when cast iron function is used in anyPOST. Use cross-section view to observe. Mechanical properties are displayed only when cast iron is used in anyPOST. For gray cast iron, only Brinell hardness and tensile strength are shown. In ductile cast iron, yield strength and elongation will be added and displayed. Use cross-section view to observe. Progress result shows the result depending on output condition step that user set in anyPOST. User can select and observe specific result out of temperature, pressure, velocity, gauge flow tracking, viscosity, and gas entrapment. Temperature is melt temperature during filling and solidification. Progress result shows the result depending on output condition step that user set in anyPOST. Velocity is speed of melt during filling. In core gas result, there is core gas in cast that allows you to observe the gas remained area in cavity, and core gas out core that allows you to observe where the gas is generated in core. Use cross-section view to observe. Please refer to User Manual for fine adjustment or data export when observing other results.